Hey, I'm AJ.
Jace Keegan.
Alyssa Bustle.
Bradley Powell.
Sarah Jack.
Stuart Rose.
Jeremy Grant.
Gannon Stearns.
We are Making Noise Theater Company. But who are we exactly? Let's get to know the troupe.
Making Noise is just people that astonish me every day I get to work with them.
I love to create things that make people feel. I love to make people laugh and to make people smile. And I'm hoping that we can do that a couple times this season.
Going to lead to some awesome results, stuff we'd never be able to do on our own.
I'm just thrilled that we're doing it because I think we're going to get to try a whole bunch of stuff that we've talked about for forever.
And for us all to come together and put something together and show it to everyone, it's going to be so fun.
We can expand our footprint in the theater scene and just continue to collaborate with everyone who's pursuing this art form. I think that this area is full of storytellers, and I think it's full of people who are desperate for a way to tell stories.
I'm excited because I think it's something that's needed here. I think we need more opportunities for creativity, and there's a space for everybody, you know, and just providing more opportunities for that is only a positive.
It's very exciting because it's getting to make cool stuff with people I like, and I think that's rad.
Usually I'm pretty quiet, but we're gonna make some noise.
Let's make some noise!
We love theater, and we believe there is no such thing as too much theater. So as we set out to make our own noise, we hope you'll stick around for the second act.